In this quick tip, we'll look at how to change the time scale displayed in your Microsoft Outlook calendar. If you're managing a lot of daily meetings and appointments, it can be helpful to see more detail in the vertical display of your Outlook calendar. Or you might want to see a larger time frame on one screen. This is easy to customize by changing the time scale shown in your calendar. Right now, the time scale in my calendar is every 30 minutes. So although the most common calendar intervals are 15 minutes and 30 minutes, you can also change the time scale interval of your calendar to 5, 6, 10, or 60 minutes. There are two ways to make this change. One is to simply move to the left side of the calendar and right-click, and here you see your time scale options. Notice that 60 minutes gives you the least space for details, and 5 minutes spreads out your calendar vertically to have the most space. Let's see what happens if we change it to 10 minutes. Notice how this expands your calendar. So if you have a very cramped schedule, this might be really helpful. Here's another way to change your time scale. From the calendar, pick View, and then Time Scale in the Arrangement group. Once again, experiment with the different intervals to see what best matches your schedule. Let's move to 15 minutes. That's all you need to do to customize your Outlook calendar for the best display of your daily activities. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Outlook or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Outlook. If this tip was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.